Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can create a habit or daily habit in the TickTick task management application. So let us begin. Start by navigating to your TickTick account, and here on the left hand side you will see the habit tracker. Click into it. Now you can develop a habit tracker or a habit and track it by clicking into this plus button here and create your habit, like, I don't know, learning Japanese for instance, right? And then set the frequency here, daily, weekly, or pick the days. So I would like to learn Japanese only on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. Click into OK, and then set a goal, achieve it all. But you can also go with this one here, for example, 1 count per day, and you can customize this, for instance, but it's up to you. I'll leave it at achieve it all, and set the start date, right? So today is August 6th. Let me set the start date to upcoming Saturday, which is August 8th. And goal days, I will leave it at forever, but you can go with a custom date. And I don't know, let's say you would like to follow that habit for 100 days, then select 100, choose a section, morning, afternoon, night, or create a custom one. And you can also add a reminder here for the given time. Click into save, and that is going to give you or create that habit, so that you may get notified here on the TickTick app that your Japanese classes are due. That's it guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.